Tak 24 News and I am with you, Shruti Channa. Let's move towards top 20 news.
Scientific survey starts at Dhar's Bhojshala. On the orders of Indore bench of Madhya Pradesh High Court, scientific survey of Bhojshala situated in Dhar city has started and it is also on the lines of Gyanvapi survey. Survey team from Delhi and Bhopal reached Bhojshala premises at 6 in the morning. They had come out of Bhojshala premises before namaz in the afternoon. Now the second phase of survey will be conducted tomorrow. After arrest, Kejriwal says, "My life is dedicated to the country." In his first reaction, a day after his arrest, Delhi Chief Minister and Aam Aadmi Party convener Arvind Kejriwal said that his life was dedicated to the country. Kejriwal was taken to the court from ED office. Country's largest under construction bridge collapses, one dies. A major accident has occurred in Supaul district of Bihar, where country's largest bridge being constructed on Kosi River collapsed with a crash. One person died in the accident while 9 people were injured. More than 40 people are feared buried in the slab. PM Modi honored with Bhutan's highest civilian honor. PM Narendra Modi was honored with Bhutan's highest civilian order of the Druk Gyalpo. He is the first head of a foreign government to receive this honor. Prime Minister Modi has been given this award for his outstanding contribution to the development of Indo-Bhutan relations and his distinguished service towards Bhutanese nation and its people. Central Joint Secretary Anuradha visits Hamar Lab and Health Center at Raipur. Anuradha Patnaik, Joint Secretary in the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, today visited the Hamar Lab operated in the District Hospital of Raipur and the Urban Primary Health Center at Matpurena. She inquired about the facilities being provided to the patients in the hospital and Hamar Lab. Director of National Health Mission, Dr. Jagdish Sonkar, was also present. Training given to bank officials regarding transactions related to Lok Sabha elections. Under direction of Balrampur Collector and District Election Officer Remijus Ikka, training was given to the bank officers in the meeting room of District Office regarding election expenditure in context of Lok Sabha elections. Nodal and Treasury Officer Santosh Singh provided information in presence of Deputy District Election Officer Amit Srivastav. Herbal Gulal prepared by the women groups at Sukma. Herbal Gulal made by women groups was presented to Collector Harris S at his residence by the members of Akriti Self-Help Group. During this, one of the women told that they have prepared this Herbal Gulal in a natural way using local flowers which they are also selling in the local market. Collector appreciated efforts of the women's group and encouraged them. Collector gives instructions in the Intelligence Committee meeting at Jagdalpur. Collector and District Election Officer Vijay Dayaram K has said that all enforcement agencies should establish better coordination and discharge their responsibilities in order to prevent misuse of money power and other inducements during Lok Sabha elections. This will enable voters to exercise their franchise fearlessly and impartially. Collector takes meeting of revenue officers at Bilaspur. Collector Avnish Saran held a meeting of all revenue officers of the district in a meeting room of the district office and discussed in detail about revenue matters as well as preparations for Lok Sabha elections. He also gave instructions to the officials to thoroughly review the pending revenue cases and resolve them within the time limit. Training given regarding postal ballot at Kavardha. Under guidance of Collector and Election Officer Janmejay Mahube, training was given to officers and employees regarding exercising their franchise through postal ballot, EDC and ETPBS in the Collectorate meeting room. During this, Joint Collector Dr. Monica Kaudo was also present. Sarguja collector launches special voter awareness campaign. Voter awareness campaign is being conducted under the sweep program in the district with the aim of 100% voting in Lok Sabha elections. On the special initiative of collector and district election officer Vilas Bhoskar, voter awareness campaign was conducted in the hilly areas of Korwa village and Malgwan Khurd. Formation of sweep cell under voter awareness campaign done at Mungeli. Sweep cell has been formed under voter awareness campaign for Lok Sabha elections. As per instructions of Collector Rahul Dev, District Panchayat CO Prabhakar Pandey held a meeting of nodal and assistant nodal officers and gave them the necessary instructions regarding elections. It is the character of Congress to stand with anti-national forces, says V.D. Sharma. BJP has launched the political attack on Digvijay Singh's statement after arrest of Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal in liquor scam and money laundering case. MP Deputy CM Rajesh Shukla has taken a dig at Digvijay Singh while State BJP President V.D. Sharma has called it the double character of Congress. Serving people is no less than worshipping God, says Shivraj. Lok Sabha candidate from Vidisha Raisen parliamentary seat and former Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan appeared overwhelmed by the welcome of women in Raisen district. As soon as he entered the border of Raisen district, he was welcomed by women carrying kalash on their heads in village Kharbai. Shivraj Singh Chauhan said that serving the public is like worshipping God. Collector inspects wheat procurement center at Sihor. Collector Praveen Singh inspected the wheat procurement center built at Takipur on Bhopal Devas highway. The procurement work at this center is being done by the cooperative society. During inspection, Collector Singh observed grader machine installed in the procurement center and took detailed information regarding its functioning. Randomization of EVMs done at Dhar. EVM randomization for Lok Sabha elections was done in the auditorium of Collectorate in presence of Collector and District Election Officer Priyank Mishra. Representatives of recognized political parties were also present and first randomization was completed. Commissioner and Collector inspect training at Shadol. Commissioner B.S. Jamod and Collector Tarun Bhatnagar inspected the training being given to polling personnel at the Government Girls College, Shadol. Commissioner Jamod also took information from master trainers. Randomization of EVMs done in Khandwa. For the Lok Sabha elections under direction of Collector and District Election Officer Anup Kumar Singh, first randomization work of EVMs and VVPAT machines was done as per the directives of Election Commission of India. In this, assembly-wise allotment of machines was also done. Collector takes meeting of sector officers at Dindori. Collector and District Election Officer Vikas Mishra held a meeting of sector officers of assembly constituencies of Dindori district included under Lok Sabha constituency number 14. During this, administrative officers and polling teams were also present. EVMs allotted to assembly constituencies in Mandsaur. The first randomization of EVMs was done in presence of political parties in the NIC room located in the collectorate in Mandsaur. Machines were also allocated for all 4 assembly constituencies of the district.
If you like our news, then please like and subscribe Aaj Tak 24 News and press the bell icon to get the latest update.